Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today in this class, I would like to inform you regarding the syllabus for the periodic test. In this class, I would like to inform you all the cadets of class 10 regarding the periodic test. Periodic test maximum marks will be 40, geography 20 marks and history 20 marks. Total 40 marks and 10 marks for oral test. I repeat, all the cadets, 10 marks for oral test and written test is for each subject 20 marks each. Geography 20 marks and history 20 marks, 20 plus 20 40 and remaining 10 marks is for oral test. So 40 plus 10 is total 50 marks. This is regarding the periodic test, class 10, subject social science. So before starting the chapter in this class, I would like to inform you all the cadets. Please be alert. Already we have discussed these topics: agriculture, lifelines of national economy, and manufacturing industries. All these three topics were discussed with the help of extra marks and with the videos. So now, for sake of the periodic test, I will revise the important questions for the examination point of view. In the examination point of view, I will inform you, I will tell you. So these questions, please thoroughly listen. So first we will discuss agriculture, then industries, then followed by national economy, that is lifelines of national economy. The three topics for your periodic test stroke midterm examination 2020. I hope children understood. And the same message I already sent through my WhatsApp group of 10th A section, 10th B section as well as 10th C sections. My dear children, I would like to request you rather than warning, because most of the boys are absent for the previous monthly test. Especially for 10th C section boys. 10th C section boys, many are absent. I kept as it is absent and 0 mark. Because authorities, examination section clearly said, if the boy is absent, if the paper is not there, put the 0 mark. So for monthly test and oral test, previous monthly test of geography, I kept zeros, especially for C class cadets. I informed the roll numbers. My dear cadets of class 10C, especially for C class, they are very lazy. They are not alert. They are ignoring the subject teacher. After sending the roll numbers, shows your absent, at least second time it is your duty to send the answer script once again. But you are failed. To send the answer script, so I treat it as an absent. When you send the answer script, there is no roll number, there is no subject, and it is completely blank paper. So please ensure this. You are not a small kid, you are a 10th class boy. Would be going to be officer after plus 2. This is totally a negligence of a cadet. 10th C boys. Especially why I am telling you is 10th C boys, many were absent by subject, that is geography. The same thing if we repeat in the periodic test. Periodic test carries internal marks. for your board examinations, then you are the great loser. Therefore, I am telling you cadets, you have to be very, very careful about these coming periodic test, stroke midterm examinations. And you don't give me the reasons. My father is not there, sir, so I have not attempted the examination. It is galat matter. I request all the parents, the timetable already displayed. Go to the timetable. That day, don't go anywhere. Be in the house. 1 hour, let the boy complete the examination. Thereafter, you can go for your regular routine. They go for, you can do your own works. And some people, they are simply telling, sir, I don't have a smartphone. These reasons, nobody will excuse. So therefore, be alert, be present all the boys, so that both sides are good. So therefore, I request all of you, this time 100% present hona chahiye. Otherwise, the absentees will get 0 mark. I hope all the class 10th boys understood what I said now. Is it clear, all the boys? Yes, if it is clear, then you will proceed for the revision. This revision, it is only totally for your coming examination. I don't know how many children are watching the videos. Some are very interested. Some parents are taking a lot of josh and interest and making them study. But there are some of the people, simply they are neglecting. So our efforts will be go down. So therefore, children, be alert, take seriously, because you are going to write the board examination. You have to improve our results. Our target is, you have to improve our results. From my side, we do our level best. Your side, you have to focus a lot in the academics, so that automatically results will improve. I hope now you understood all the cadets. So 3rd September onwards, your periodic test is going to start. 3rd September onwards, periodic test is going to start. The first exam for class 10th is social science. For class 10th examination, first paper is social science, history and geography. Total 40 marks. Each history 20 marks and geography 20 marks. And remaining 10 marks for oral test. Each subject 5 marks. So 45, 25, 25, it is totally 50. So therefore, this time please ensure there will be no absentees. If at all you have any problem, it's okay, accepted. But immediately after the examination, we should contact the subject teacher. Soon after the examination, in case if you are not attempted, you have not appeared for the examination, immediately you have to contact the subject teacher. It is your duty, my dear. It is your primary duty. So and so reasons are I couldn't do it. So I am sending the paper, please kindly receive it. Response hona chahiye from your side. I am telling you, cadets, take it very seriously. This time, all the absentees roll numbers will publish. I will send you through WhatsApp. I will put it in the consent section. Even then, if you did not give any response, I will take very seriously when you come back here, school. At the same time, you will be treated as absent and you put 0 mark. I hope As a subject teacher, as an elderly person, इतना मैं बोल सकता है. More than that, I cannot tell you. I hope parents also understood what I am telling you. Because most of the videos not only watching by the students, and these videos are watching by these parents also. So I request all the elderly person who are there in the family, concerned family, make understand your child. थप्पड़ मार के your समझाना पड़ेगा. I hope it is very clear. Now I will go ahead with the topic, that is agriculture. Children, one thing is this is a very interesting topic regarding agriculture. Here agriculture may there are 4 questions. The first one is what is agriculture? The first one is what is agriculture, and second one is what are the methods we have been following according to the environmental conditions, climatic conditions. We have been cultivating the various crops by applying different methods. I told you already in previous class. Then coming to the, if we take concerned crops, what are the climatic conditions needed for each crop? Especially for if you take a staple food crops of India. Especially if you take a staple food crops of India, what climatic conditions? What are the favorable conditions required for the cultivation of so and so crop? Very most important. And which are the states growing, leading, producing crop in the country? Over a period of time, the agriculture has been decreased. So, with the help of the government, they have introduced certain institutional reforms for the sake of poor farmers. What are those? If you are thorough with these 3 questions, 100% you will get 7 marks for board examinations. Because there will be 1 5-mark question and there will be 1 2-mark question. These are the things you have to take very, very careful, my dear children. Let us now understand about what is agriculture. As I discussed, agriculture means cultivation of crops on the land. Cultivation of the crops on the land is known as agriculture. Otherwise, agriculture word can be divided into 2 groups. Agriculture. Agri means land. It is a Latin word. Agri is a Latin word. Agri is a Latin word. Agri means land. Culture means cultivation. Cultivation. So cultivation of land by growing crops. That is what is agriculture. India is an agriculture country. Agriculture is a backbone of our country. So when you talk something, it has own value. Understood agriculture? Agriculture, methods and major crops, and for the sake of poor farmers, what are kind of institutional reforms introduced by the government? Enlist the institutional reforms introduced by the government for the sake of poor farmers in the country. This is the question. This already we had discussed. So once again I am telling you because of the examination point of view. Is it clear, boys? So here agriculture we see. Here also given introduction, types of farming, major food crops and grains, non-food crops, and here problems faced in Indian agriculture. The institutional reforms comes under this. Agriculture reforms, yes. Here. Recapitulation. So, one question and second question, third question, then definition. These are the things which you have to very carefully you have to listen.